In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce Workbench. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly and effectively. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Make sure you've got a reliable internet connection, as we'll be navigating online throughout this process. In the search bar of your browser, type Salesforce Workbench Login. This is a straightforward way to find the Workbench tool, which is a powerful suite used primarily by developers and administrators within the Salesforce ecosystem. With this tool, you can interact with your Salesforce organization in several different ways, whether it's querying your database or testing configurations. Now, once the search results appear, you should see a link at or near the top that says Workbench. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you to the Salesforce Workbench landing page. The interface might seem a bit technical at first glance, but don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly with a little guidance. As you land on the Workbench page, you'll find an option that says Log in with Salesforce. This step is crucial because Workbench relies on your Salesforce account credentials to access your data and perform operations. So go ahead and click on Log in with Salesforce. At this point, if you're not already logged into Salesforce in your browser, you'll be prompted to enter your Salesforce credentials, your username and password. Make sure you're using the right credentials for the account that has the appropriate access permissions to utilize Workbench fully. Once you successfully input your credentials, the system will guide you through the standard security protocols, such as any multi-factor authentication or verification processes that your organization requires. After completing these steps, you'll be redirected to the main interface of Salesforce Workbench. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Here you have access to a host of features like SOQL queries, data manipulation tools, and API access, all of which can significantly enhance how you work with your Salesforce data. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Salesforce Workbench. Remember, this tool is quite powerful, so take the time to explore its features as you become more comfortable. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or testing new workflows, Workbench offers a robust platform to interact with your Salesforce environment effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating your way through Salesforce Workbench. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment. Happy exploring!